Dear friends, welcome to MR Connect. Thanks for watching my previous videos and providing your valuable comment. It was really helpful to me in order to update myself. Please do like, share and comment if you have any questions, and do subscribe and hit on the notification button. Referral exclusion in GA4. This is the topic which we are going to discuss about today. If you're the e-commerce owner, the e-commerce store owners, they know the problem. When visitors make payments through third-party payment providers and banks, they come back to the website and count as a new visitor because they come from an external domain. Am I right? Because e-commerce sites is having this problem and they are doing this on day-to-day basis. Whenever there is a transaction, the visitor will go to the payment website and then come back to our website. We have an option in Universal Analytics for this. There will be a referral exclusion list and it will automatically include the own domain. Google Analytics has come up with something for this, but we don't have this option in GA4. Google Analytics 4 App Plus Web does not know this. So what we can do it for this case now? In GA4, Google Analytics 4, that is previously Google app and web property, we cannot able to set this up. So we have to code a bit. I will explain you how to do this via Google Tag Manager today. In brief, just collect the list of referrals we want to ignore and put that in a custom variable JavaScript and use that variable in the page referrer tag accompanying the page view. So step 1, if I want to explain it in detail, the step 1 is to create the variable using the custom JavaScript in GTM. In step 2, just copy this code and paste it on the new JavaScript which you are going to create. Don't worry about that. I will copy and paste this in my description so you can copy it from my video description. This code runs through the row of domains starting from line 10 and check whether the page referrer contains one of these domains. If not, nothing will happen. If the domain there listed, then it makes the code the referrer, the current domain plus path name with the external domain in it. So just look at this. This is what I'm trying to explain. It will check all the domains that we have given in this code, and if it is matching with the domain what we have provided, then it will create the host name plus exclude referrer URL. Then customize your GA4 app plus web page view event. We have already created a GA4 page view event. So that page view event is this. In that we have given the measurement ID and we have checked on send a page view event when this configuration loads, right? Under that we will have fields to set option. In fields to set option, if we expand, we can give the field name as page underscore referrer and then we can choose the value as the new variable, JavaScript variable, which we have already created in the previous step. So in the app plus web page view tag, set the parameter page underscore referrer with the value of the newly created variable. Step 3, just that's all. You can go ahead and preview, then test it and publish and then check. So you can make a test purchase also to see if the payment provider you use is correctly configured and everything is going well. Thank you for watching this video. Do comment your questions and if you have any feedback for me. Thank you so much. Bye.